And there also, we can go here first, or
Yeah, if you want to.
yeah,
Oh, there's a deer over there.
yeah.
Yeah, technically you're not in the zoo yet because the entrance is over there. So.
Mhm.
You got penguins there.
Yeah.
Obviously that'll look better in the dark, wouldn't it? A little booklet of this. But because you're doing it on
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are here at Chester Zoo.
yeah.
So fast, no?
Yeah.
Climbing the wall,
Yeah.
the branches. Oh,
Just jump.
always like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just jump.
oh.
Go on. Have a scratch.
Ah,
So quick.
yeah. The first entrance is the elephant, no?
Well, this is just like the inside enclosure of the elephants, but it's even before you get into the park.
Mm.
So, I mean, technically you come here for free.
Ah, we're now here. Come in. Mabaho na.
Yeah, you're going to get that in some places, Mabaco.
We are here inside
Yeah, this is
The-
the inside enclosure, but you notice it's warmer.
enclosure. Yeah, like typical the fish. Why is it mabaho?
Well, because elephants make a lot of
Here inside, like elephant, no?
Oh no, that's a tree.
Tree like elephant. So smells like elephant. This one, my love, is
Yeah. Go on, then you can pronounce that.
Brahmaputra River, and the fish there.
South Asian waterways.
Yeah. South Asian waterways. Okay. So there. Look. This one, no, is like elephant, no? The one is the eyes of the elephant.
No, it's just
Yeah.
well, it's made to
Oh, oh, look. Tae.
it's made to look like wood, isn't it?
Yeah, but still the sculptures like elephant.
Or sometimes you'll go to like an enclosure like this and you won't be able to see what's in it. Because it might be empty, or they might be just curled up in there sleeping and you can't see them. But this is supposed to be a Luzon cloud rat, whatever that is.
Northern Luzon.
Yeah.
Cloud rat. Asian elephant, my love. No, the elephant is not here. So they're outside, I think.
Well, there was only 3 there. Normally there's about, I don't know, 8 to 12 elephants here, so I don't know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Here is the elephant house.
Where they sleep.
Yeah. But there at first, at the entrance, the elephant is there. Was there, 3.
Well, you never know whether they're inside or outside.
Uh-huh.
I thought because it's a little bit colder, I thought they'd be inside.
No, it's not.
So the digger that they use for when they're tatting.
So...
You get these enclosures with birds in. Right, you see it in the corner over there? Which orange nose or beak, did I say?
Oh yeah. What's that?
But sometimes.
This is papaya. Look, the papaya.
What, the tree?
This one, papaya.
Is it? Is
Yeah.
it papaya? Oh, you
No,
got
no.
flowers, look.
Yeah,
Okay.
papaya.
Um,
But I think it's not.
You see the bird? Yeah. But sometimes with these enclosures, like the little birds and that, they get out. So they end up being out here.
Yeah, this one, no. The Javan rhinoceros hornbill.
Yeah.
There.
So that's the one that's up there. It's like got 3 beaks, isn't it? Or is it 2 beaks?
Cannot see. It's in there.
With all the branches and that, and the trees are all brown
Yeah.
and dead.
So, next step.
Thank you. Kind of you, thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's a difference in temperature.
Huh?
You notice a difference in temperature, so a lot colder out here.
It's
no?
colder here. Outside. What's in here? No.
This is supposed to be birds of South Asia. But like I say, some of these enclosures, you might not see anything.
We are now here outside. A little bit colder and wet. Because it was raining.
But obviously it was raining at some point.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. We are only exit. I thought that this. Wait, my love. I will take a
Then you just go
photo
through a circle.
of the elephant.
Well, you will be able to get closer.
Yeah. Ah.
So it looks like there's only 3. Unless there's more up that corner. There's one there. There's 1, 2.
We cannot go there closer.
Yeah, we can. See all this here?
There.
We can go over there. Yeah.
We can.
Yeah, we can. Let's go over there.
Okay.
But I mean, obviously, if you go back to that bit that we were before.
No, it's okay, my love. It's not. The other one.
The baby one there. When I say baby, it's probably about 3 years old.
We are here in Chester Zoo. The elephant. 1, 2, 3.
Is
that the baby?
There's probably more. Well, I say baby, but it's probably about 3 or 4 years old.
I think the one is the mom.
I don't know. There should be a sign somewhere that tells you all about them.
Yeah.
But that's when you go over there.
Yeah, there.
We'll have a look inside and see if there's any inside.
Okay.
Good here. It might be a bit cold for them yet, you see, so they might stay inside.
It's water here, watery. The bamboo.
Well, you'll probably see a lot of that.
Yeah.
Give it-
What's that, my love?
Is it chipmunk? Not sure.
Like ratman.
Yeah, it's like a squirrel stroke rat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's many.
That's a squirrel.
Squirrel?
Yeah. Swim horse squirrel. Yeah, so it is a squirrel.
Yeah. The small.
Yeah, very small, smaller than ours. I wonder what would happen if they got together. You'd have like a cross between one of our squirrels and one of theirs.
Yeah.
There's a rabbit as well.
I can see. He was looking for stuff and he was going, oh, there's something into it. I think they put some food in there somewhere for him. And he's going, no.
Like digging. Digging the soil.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello, elephant.
Why did you say that? She looks huge.
The other one, yes, not like the tusk. Look at my
The
left
tusks,
tusk.
Well, it depends on what it is, doesn't it?
Maybe the one is boy. It's a boy. Why is it they call Asian elephant? Because
Well,
it's from India. India.
Yeah, but it's a different size ears.
Ah,
I think it's Asian and African.
yeah.
Anyways.